How to reset your LTC security system so you won't get locked out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, Stephen R4 from R4 Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're going to talk about LTC, auto mining, and your security system. This is to help you avoid getting locked out of your account. I can't guarantee it, but if you follow the steps to reset your security system within your account, which is mainly just click on Advanced Security, and it will take you into this page. In this page, what you first need to do is to disable the first two. Disable this one, take the IP address, change sensitivity, and disable detect browser change. The problem is, because these systems are highly sensitive, remember these systems are creating more economic cryptocurrencies for the whole world to use. So whatever you're going to be making from here, this company is mining new cryptocurrency for that economic growth. So their system's got to be highly secured for these reasons, and hackers and people trying to tap into their systems will come up against these security protocol that's set up by the LTC auto mining. And just a little bit of explanation. If you have detect IP address change sensitivity, what this means is if you have it activated, every time you're going to log into your LTC account from a different IP address, LTC will recognize that as somebody else trying to log into your account. That's all there is. They recognize it all. You have logged in, or somebody has logged in to your account, say from America, and you live in Australia. It's not always the case, but those are the sort of things they see on their end to protect your account and their system. It's the same with you using a different computer or different iPad or whatever to access your account. They're going to notice that also. To LTC auto mining, they think it's a scammer or a hacker hacked into your account. They don't know it's you. Okay, this is why you're going to reset all your security system. And more importantly, you set up what it's called the two-factor authentication. Now, this takes a little while to set up, and it's set up on your phone. Google that up or go to YouTube to find out how to set it up. Once you set this up and you deactivate or disable these first two, you should be alright with your security system. Now, just before we close, just make sure, as soon as you join, reset your security system. Because you don't want to be locked out of your account just because you log into your account from a different IP address or use a different computer. More importantly, now if you are going to say log into your account, LTC account of course, from a different IP address or different computer, make sure to inform support. Say you're going to travel and you're in America and you're going to be logging into your account in Australia. Just let them know you're going to be in Australia and you're going to be using a different IP address. I've had a lot of people complain because of their account is locked or pending, or because of those simple things that needs to be done with your security system, and also letting LTC know where you're going to be logging into your account from time to time. Very, very important. As a security system, it also protects your account and protects LTC. Now, this is why I make this video, making sure anything you want to know or anything you want to do, always contact support or admin through this button, support. Don't email them directly from their email because you might not get an answer. But if you do it directly from their support button here, you might get the answer. And don't do anything until they let you know what there needs to be done with your account. If they don't answer you, consider them join the LTC auto mining. But if they do contact you and you have this dialogue with them, then you know you've got a pretty good system on. Making sure also you only have one account per household or per IP address. They don't allow an extra account to be using the same IP address, all because of these security system protocol. But anyway, down the bottom of this video, if you want to join LTC auto mining, this is for mining cryptocurrencies. Should be a link below this video. And of course, also, I humbly ask, subscribe to my YouTube video. I need 1,000. I'm nearly there. I think at the moment, I think I got 940. We only need 60 more people to subscribe and complete deal. And of course, 940 of yours Love you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. But anyway, this is Stephen R4 from R4 Fortune, creating fortune for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Oops, sorry. All that crackling noise in the background, that's my pigeon walking on the newspaper.